Lane Community College. Center for Accessible Resources. In this video, you will learn how to install and use Echo Desktop to store and access your SmartPen notes. Installing Echo Desktop. First, go to www.lanecc.edu/disability. Click Current Students. Click Accessible Technology. Scroll down and click Echo Desktop for SmartPen's webpage. Choose either the Windows or Mac download and follow the directions for installation. Using Echo Desktop. When you plug in your SmartPen with Echo open, recordings will automatically be downloaded and stored in the 3-subject notebook. To organize your notes, use the Create New Custom Notebook tool. Name each notebook by subject, topic, or anything you want. Notebooks can be renamed at any time. Pages can now be dragged from the 3-subject notebook into your custom notebooks. Notes taken while the pen was recording will be green. Click a green note to hear what was being said when you wrote that note. Notes taken while the pen was not recording will be black. Black notes are still visible but are not linked to a recording. To view your audio files, click the Audio tab. Audio files are automatically named with the date they were recorded, but they can be renamed for better organization. To rename a file, first click to highlight it, then right-click and select Rename from the drop-down menu. Echo Desktop automatically stores all of your notes and recordings. To save a recording directly to your desktop, highlight a recording, click Share To, and select Computer. You can download either the page of notes, the audio file, or both. Make sure you click the desired option before hitting Continue. If you have any questions, or if you need to request this information in an alternate format, contact the Center for Accessible Resources at 541-463-5150 or email us at accessibleresources@lanecc.edu.